How can I fix the issue of not being able to donate to Tom Nook in Animal Crossing?
Hello, Animal Crossing enthusiasts. Today we're going to tackle a common problem some players face, not being able to donate to Tom Nook. But don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll walk through the process step by step and get you back to building your dream island in no time.
Who is Tom Nook and why can I donate?
Tom Nook is a key character in the Animal Crossing series. He runs the local shop and serves as a kind of guide throughout the game. If you're having trouble donating to him, it's usually because of one of two reasons. 1. You're in the early stages of the game where donation functionality hasn't been unlocked yet. 2. You have no items that can be donated at the moment.
How to unlock donations?
In the beginning of the game, Tom Nook will ask you to gather specific items. This is essentially a tutorial phase, and you can't donate other items during this time. Complete these initial tasks first to unlock more game features, including the ability to donate.
Checking your inventory.
If you've already unlocked the ability to donate but are still having issues, it might be because you don't have any items that can be donated. You can only donate certain types of items, like fish, bugs, and fossils. Check your inventory to ensure you have items that can be donated. Remember, if you haven't caught or found any of these items yet, you won't be able to donate.
Donation troubleshooting.
If you've checked off the previous sections but are still facing issues, here are some additional steps to troubleshoot. 1. Ensure the game is updated to the latest version. Sometimes, bugs in the game can interfere with various features. An update could potentially fix this issue. 2. Check your game's internet connection. Animal Crossing: New Horizons often requires a stable internet connection for certain features. 3. Restart your game. If all else fails, restarting your game or console can sometimes resolve issues. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to solving the issue of not being able to donate to Tom Nook in Animal Crossing. We hope this helps you get back on track with your island life. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below. Happy gaming!